Concrete cracks, it happens. Over time, even the strongest concrete surfaces can develop cracks. But what causes these cracks? And how do we fix them without ripping everything out and starting from scratch? Today, we're going to dive into the world of concrete repair and show you how to take care of cracks, settling, and shifting concrete before they become a major problem. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're talking about concrete foundation repair. Concrete cracks are something we all deal with at some point. Whether it's in your driveway, garage floor, or sidewalk, cracks in concrete are often a sign that something's wrong beneath the surface, usually the soil underneath. But don't worry, just because your concrete is cracked or uneven, it doesn't mean you have to replace it entirely. Concrete cracks can be caused by a variety of things. The most common culprit is shifting soil. Over time, the soil underneath your concrete can settle, expand, or contract, which causes the concrete above it to shift. Other reasons could include poor drainage, temperature changes, or even poor initial installation. But the good news is, concrete repair doesn't always mean replacing it. There are several effective methods we use to fix concrete without having to tear everything up. Let's start by talking about concrete crack repair. It's crucial to know the cause of the crack first. Is it a result of soil shifting beneath it, or is it just from shrinkage as the concrete is cured? Knowing the cause helps us determine the best solution. Let's look at some common types of crack repairs we offer here at Dalinghaus Construction. Polyurethane concrete lifting. Polyurethane concrete lifting is one of the most effective methods for raising sunken concrete. We inject a special expanding foam under the slab, which fills any voids beneath the concrete and raises it back to its original position. This is a fast and cost-effective way to fix uneven concrete without a lot of mess. Not only does it lift the concrete, but the foam also stabilizes the soil beneath, preventing future shifting. This solution works well for driveways, sidewalks, and garage floors that have settled over time. Polyurethane concrete void fill. If you've noticed hollow spots or voids under your concrete, it's essential to fill them before they cause further damage. Polyurethane foam is perfect for this, as it expands and fills even the smallest gaps to ensure concrete stays supported. Not filling voids can lead to shrinking or more cracks later on. Concrete crack repair. Now, let's talk about repairing cracks themselves. There are a few different methods depending on the severity of the crack and whether the foundation is still moving. For small, stable cracks, we use a gravity-fed crack repair where we inject an epoxy or resin into the crack to seal it and prevent water intrusion. For cracks that may still be moving or shifting, we'll use carbon fiber crack repair. This involves inserting carbon fiber staples into the crack to stitch the concrete back together. This method adds strength and prevents further expansion of the crack. Removal and replacement. Sometimes repairing the crack just isn't enough. If the damage is too extensive, we may need to remove the damaged concrete and replace it with new, reinforced concrete. This is the most invasive and expensive option, but it's the best fix when cracks have severely compromised the integrity of your foundation or surface. Stem wall repair. Another common issue we see is stem wall cracks. If your home has a crawl space or basement, these cracks are usually due to moisture, rusting, or soil pressure. If left untreated, these cracks will only get worse over time, causing more damage to the structure. We use specialized products to fill and stabilize the stem wall, ensuring it's strong and protected for years to come. So, now you know that when it comes to concrete repair, there's more than one option. The best solution depends on the type of damage, the underlying causes, and how long the problem has been left untreated. But don't wait too long to fix your concrete. Small issues can escalate into big problems, and the longer you wait, the more expensive the repair might become. When to get your concrete fixed? If you notice large cracks, sunken slabs, or uneven concrete, it's time to call a professional. If you can catch the issue early, the repairs can be simple and affordable. But if the problem persists and gets worse, you might face more disruptive and expensive options, like total concrete removal and replacement. Cost of concrete repair. The cost of concrete repair varies depending on the extent of the damage. For For smaller repairs, the polyurethane lifting or crack sealing, you might be looking at anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000. But for more expensive repairs, like replacing an entire slab, the cost can go up significantly. We'll always give you a clear estimate before any work begins, so you'll know exactly what to expect. So there you have it, your guide to understanding concrete repair and how to spot the signs of foundation damage. If you think you've got a concrete issue, don't wait. Contact us at Dalinghaus Construction for a free evaluation. Our team will help you decide on the best, most cost-effective solution for your concrete needs. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned more about concrete repairs today. If you have any questions, or if you want to schedule a consultation, just give us a call or visit our website. See you next time.